Imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just science fiction, but a powerful tool that can transform your learning experience. Well, guess what? That world is already here. From conquering complex concepts to boosting your productivity, AI-powered tools are revolutionizing the way students learn. So, ditch the highlighters and sharpen your digital pencils because we're about to explore the top AI tools that every student needs to succeed. In today's information age, staying organized and managing your workload can be a challenge. But fear not, AI is here to be your ultimate learning companion. Let's dive into some incredible tools that will make your student life a breeze. Conquering chaos. AI tools for organization and productivity. In today's information overload world, staying organized and managing your workload can feel like an uphill battle. But fear not, students. AI is here to be your ultimate learning companion, helping you conquer chaos and become a productivity powerhouse. Here's a deeper dive into some incredible AI tools that will streamline your student life. Smart calendars and planners. Beyond scheduling. Imagine a calendar that not only schedules your classes and meetings, but also anticipates your needs. AI-powered calendars like Calendly and Clara integrate with your existing workload, think deadlines, assignments, and suggest optimal times for appointments, factoring in your energy levels and preferred study times. They can even learn your habits and preferences over time, automatically scheduling breaks and buffer periods between meetings to prevent burnout. AI-powered to-do lists, prioritization and time management. On autopilot, ditch your static to-do lists that never seem to get shorter. AI to-do list apps like Todoist and TickTick go beyond simple reminders. These tools analyze your tasks and prioritize them not just by urgency, but also by complexity and estimated time commitment. Imagine a to-do list that suggests tackling a high-priority but less time-consuming task before diving into a complex project, maximizing your productivity throughout the day. These apps can also integrate with your calendar to automatically schedule time blocks for each task, ensuring you have a realistic and achievable daily plan. Smart note-taking apps. Capture everything, understand it all. Taking notes is crucial for learning, but traditional methods can be time-consuming and inefficient. AI-powered note-taking apps like Notability and Otter.ai come to the rescue with features that go beyond simple transcription. These tools use speech recognition to not only transcribe lectures and meetings in real time, but also identify key points, summarize main ideas, and even generate flashcards based on your notes, making revision a breeze. Some apps offer advanced search functionalities that allow you to search not just for keywords, but also for concepts and ideas, helping you find specific information quickly and efficiently. Beyond the core tools, the world of AI-powered organization and productivity extends beyond these core tools. Here are some additional options to explore. Focus boosters. Apps like Forest and Freedom use the Pomodoro technique, breaking down work into focused 25-minute intervals with short breaks in between. AI algorithms personalize these intervals based on your concentration patterns, maximizing your focus and minimizing distractions. Imagine an AI that gently nudges you to take a break when it detects a dip in your concentration, preventing burnout and promoting sustained productivity. Smart project management tools. For complex projects with multiple moving parts, AI-powered project management tools like Asana and Trello can be lifesavers. These tools use AI to identify potential bottlenecks, suggest resource allocation strategies, and even predict project deadlines with remarkable accuracy. Imagine having a virtual project manager that constantly analyzes your progress and suggests adjustments to keep you on track and meet your deadlines efficiently. AI-powered habit trackers. Building good study habits is key to long-term success. AI-powered habit tracker apps like Habitica and Streaks use gamification and personalized reminders to help you stick to your study goals. Imagine an AI that not only reminds you to complete your daily study tasks, but also rewards your consistency with virtual badges and milestones, keeping you motivated and engaged in your learning journey. By leveraging these AI-powered tools, Students can transform their approach to organization and productivity, freeing up valuable time and mental space to focus on truly understanding and mastering the material. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. Effective strategies and a commitment to continuous learning are still essential for academic success. However, with AI as your wingman, you'll be well on your way to conquering chaos and achieving your full academic potential. Interesting question. With AI automating many tasks, will the future of education involve less rote memorization and more focus on critical thinking and problem-solving skills? How can AI tools be used to enhance these essential skills? From textbooks to tailored learning, AI tools for personalized education, adaptive learning platforms. Imagine a learning experience that adapts to your individual needs. Adaptive learning platforms like Khan Academy and Newton use AI algorithms to assess your strengths and weaknesses. Based on your performance, the platform adjusts the difficulty level of the material and recommends personalized learning paths, ensuring you're constantly challenged without feeling overwhelmed. AI-powered tutors and study buddies. Can't afford a personal tutor? No problem. AI-powered tutoring platforms like Q&A sites powered by machine learning and chatbots can answer your questions, provide concept explanations, and even guide you through practice problems in various subjects. These virtual tutors are available 24/7, offering a flexible and affordable way to get personalized help whenever you need it. AI-powered language learning apps. Learning a new language can be daunting, but AI can make it fun and interactive. Language learning apps like Duolingo and Babbel use AI-powered speech recognition and personalized learning algorithms to tailor the lessons to your learning style and pronunciation. Imagine having a pocket-sized language tutor that gamifies learning and keeps you motivated. Beyond the classroom walls, AI tools for research and exploration. AI-powered research assistants. Research papers can be a daunting task. AI-powered research assistants like Jasper and WriteSonic can help you streamline the process. These tools can analyze vast amounts of data, identify relevant sources, and even generate outlines and introductions for your research papers, saving you precious time and effort. Remember, AI is a tool to empower your research, not replace critical thinking and analysis. AI-powered mind mapping tools. Brainstorming and organizing ideas can be messy. AI-powered mind mapping tools like Miro and XMind help you visualize your thoughts and connections between concepts. These tools use AI algorithms to suggest relevant keywords and connections, allowing you to explore your ideas more efficiently and develop a clear roadmap for your projects. AI-powered virtual reality, VR learning experiences. Imagine stepping inside the heart of a human cell or exploring the pyramids of Egypt, all from the comfort of your classroom. AI-powered VR learning experiences are revolutionizing the way students can interact with educational material. These immersive experiences can spark curiosity, boost engagement, and make learning truly unforgettable. The top AI tools we explored are just the beginning. The future of AI in education is brimming with possibilities. By harnessing the power of AI responsibly, we can create a learning environment that empowers every student to reach their full potential. So, students, are you ready to embrace the AI revolution in education? We hope you found this exploration of AI tools for students exciting. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on the future of AI in education, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos on how technology is transforming the world around us.